What's up, YouTube? It's KJ. Welcome back to Wonderboy Vids, man. Hey, you know what? Let's make a shirt. Let's do that real quick. You got a few minutes? I got a few minutes. That's cool. Let's do this. Hey, but don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And make sure you hit that bell so you'll be notified when I drop another video. Alright? Let's do it. Real quick. Let's do this. Always preheat your garment at least 3 to 4 seconds before pressing on your art. On this cotton t-shirt, I pressed anywhere from 7 to 10 seconds, but the time does vary depending on the type of material that you're pressing. There you have it. We made a shirt. Quick too. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that bell so you'll be notified when I drop another video. This is KJ, Wonderboy Vids, signing off. Till next time.